today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I have some bad news about Bitcoin, some bad news for you, some bad news for myself. In regards to my million US dollar trade, in regards to my multi-million US dollar, to my position on Ethereum, and towards the Bitcoin price right now in the immediate short term. Actually, I've been talking since ages about this parabola here, and I told you, if we break it to the downside, it's a moment I should consider taking some profits from my trades, which are still very profitable. In the moment we are breaking it to the upside, that's the moment where I'm gonna go more heavy than I've ever been going heavily into a long position before. Well, unfortunately, the sad event of the breakdown is happening right now, and the question is, what are the price targets of this breakdown? Let's talk about that. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Share the video with your friends. Just make as much noise for the algorithm as possible, please, guys. We need to turn the price back into the green territory. For now, I will switch it to red. Maybe you can't see it so much, but now let's go straight into the content. Let's talk about the price targets for Bitcoin, and let's talk about what we can expect for Bitcoin right now. Well, first of all, CZ Binance was posting they want to buy cheap, not financial advice, right? If the richest person in the world potentially is posting something like this, I'm smelling, hey, does he know something? Well, you know the saying, show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. So let's see what is going on here. Well, we are breaking this multi-week, almost multi-month downtrend for Bitcoin to the downside. And now we have to ask ourselves the question, where is this going to lead to? Would I go long right now, catch the falling knife? The answer is no. I would not go long right now. Would I go short? Well, if I would be shorting for Bitcoin, actually, I would have been going short yesterday, and I would still keep my short position open if I would short. This is just not part of my strategy. I long or I wait. And looking into the charts right now, of course, we have to see what are the price targets for Bitcoin. And I do see another retest of the previous low. What I said, we already came very, very close. So this is not a moment for me to open a short position right now. If you are in a short position and you are profitable, might as well take some profits based upon your own research. And of course, let the rest rise, because breaking a macro trend like this, long parabolic trend, it's just annoying AF, man. Not something we wanted to see. So if we are pulling down the Fibonacci retracement level, you can see that the actual golden pocket is coming in around the numbers of 22,300 to 22,500 US dollars for Bitcoin. I am personally getting very, very cautious here right now, and I am considering to take profits on my trade here right now. My Bitcoin trade being 250,000 US dollars in a profit, my Ethereum trade being 75,000 US dollars in a profit. By the way, guys, if you want to be trading as well, you know, in the pinned comment in the video description, you will always find the highest bonus you can find on YouTube. If you go down below, choose one of the links. Bybit is my favorite, but you have also Phoenix and other ones down below. Binance with the biggest bonuses you can find in the pinned comment. Click register deposit if you're an experienced trader. If not, buy and hold, because even buying today, if your time horizon is a few years, in my humble personal opinion, which can be wrong, I think it doesn't matter if you buy today, next week, last week. I think the future of Bitcoin is great, and this is something we should not forget with these short-term volatility things. But, well, keep the tweet of CZ in mind. Keep us breaking this, unfortunately, this parabolic trend to the downside in mind. Not something we wanted to see. One last thing here, technical analysis wise, I wanted to share with you is, of course, Bitcoin has to break this long trend here, actually, which you can see it's a 12-year trend. And if I were to go to the weekly, you can see that, let me pull it out. Of course, it's not here. Let me quickly pull it out. With the indicators, I'm pulling out the MA. And then you can see that on the weekly, actually, we are having, let me pull out the weekly EMA, boom, and I'm pulling in the 200, that Bitcoin is right now retesting the 200-week MA. And this is something which you have to keep in mind. This is very, very important for Bitcoin to hold on the weekly. We are breaking below right now. So this week, we need the close of 23,000. Bitcoin needs to close the week at 23,000. Otherwise, it's an incredibly bearish signal. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for always smashing up the like button. And we are going to see you very soon in the next one of Crypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.